Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: WSL2, a Linux distro, and Visual Studio Code with the remote WSL extension. Open PowerShell as admin and run the WSL install command to save time. Once the distro finishes installing, launch it to complete the initial user setup, then open VS Code. Make sure the remote WSL extension is enabled. It creates the bridge between Windows and your Linux environment. Now you're ready to open a project from inside WSL. You'll open your code inside the WSL context so tools run natively. In VS Code, press Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Remote WSL. New window, then navigate to the Linux folder path for your project. Once the workspace loads, VS Code prompts to install recommended extensions into WSL. Accept them so debuggers and linters run on Linux. If you need terminal access, open an integrated terminal and confirm it's bash or ZSH from the distro. This avoids cross-environment mismatches and speeds up workflows. You'll finish by running and debugging inside WSL to keep behavior consistent with Linux. Use the integrated terminal to run your build and test commands. Make sure path-dependent tools are installed in the distro. Configure launch. JSON to point to the executable or interpreter inside WSL and set breakpoints normally. If something breaks, close VS Code, reopen a remote WSL window, and reinstall any extension that didn't activate. This often fixes activation or dependency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.